Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Anaconda Prompt or Navigator and immediately creating a focused environment. This isolates packages and prevents dependency conflicts. Once done, activate that environment. Conda activate myenv, so subsequent installs go where you expect. Next, add a kernel for Jupyter using Python m ipykernel install to make the environment selectable in the Notebook UI. These steps let you launch Jupyter Notebook knowing the kernel matches your project, which avoids version mismatches later. With Jupyter running, create a new notebook and explicitly choose the myenv kernel so imports use the right interpreter. Use markdown cells to document intent and code cells to develop incrementally. Run short blocks with Shift+Enter to keep state clear. If you need libraries, install them into the same environment using conda install or pip while the env is active, then restart the kernel to pick up compiled extensions. Following this disciplined flow reduces hidden state and makes reproducing results straightforward. When your work is complete, save and export to the desired format so collaborators can view outputs without running code. Quit the notebook server cleanly from the browser or terminal and conda deactivate to avoid leaving processes running. If the kernel refuses to connect, first ensure you launch the server from the same activated env. Reinstall ipykernel in that environment if necessary and re-register the kernel. This single troubleshooting step solves most mismatched kernel problems and gets you back to a stable workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.